which is that people get to choose. So I made it so people could choose.
Appreciate listening to you today, T, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
C.T. Nguyen is a professor of philosophy at the University of Utah. His new book is called The Score: How to Stop Playing Somebody Else's Game.
Making her know how special she truly is. Try to bring her to Ivy Dread locked in right now. The song is called Nine.
First loss of the playoffs. Now the Wild look to keep that momentum. Walking side by side.
At hfotusa.org.
At Level Financial Advisors, we work with people like you who are
Extend their lead. You just have to watch the Stanley Cup playoffs. Coverage begins with Hockey Central.
Selection of flowers, including classic roses, to spend their entire day. Fees
So worth it.
Visit Bell.ca for more details and to check availability. Bell, connection is everything.
Like Plasseville Marie and the Sun Life Building are lit up in Habs colors. The Ferris Wheel in Montreal's Old Port and the Biosphere, the dome on St. Pete.
Right now,
Michael Lewis qui a fait un balado sur la figure de l'arbitre qui est attaqué et il se demande si c'est pas symptomatique d'un problème plus général ou dès que quelqu'un essaie de poser un jugement objectif.
I really enjoyed this. It's so nice to link up with fellow Canadians.
Yeah, so I wish you all the best, and thanks for joining us.
For news, allowing free passage for the 1,500 cargo vessels trapped in the Persian Gulf and providing some relief for the world's economy and gas prices, the U.S. would gradually...
why not enjoy with a Budweiser?
What? Let's continue with more.
Gangnam Style.
cuộc đời cứ trôi.
Como nunca me sentí, y por esas cosas raras de la vida, sin el beso de tu boca yo me vi, amor de mis amores.